Hello my people, uyu munsi nagarutse kugira ngo twigane vitenzi. Vitenzi which means verbs in English. Ubwo ni inshinga mu Kinyarwanda. Let's start. Turahera ku nshinga abantu bakunda gukoresha cyane mu buzima bwa buri munsi. Arizo kula, kunywa. Kula is to eat. Kunywa is to drink. Noneho kusoma means to read or to study. Kuenda means to go. Kuja means to come. Kuja hapa means come here. Kufanya means to do. Kulala means to sleep. Kucheza means to play games, no gukina. Kuomba ni gusenga, kuomba n'ubundi ni gusenga cyangwa se kuomba bisobanuye gusaba, gusaba ko nyine banarikoresha bavuga ngo no gusenga, kuomba. So which is to pray with short r. Hakaza kupenda. Jamani mapenzi. Kupenda means to love. Or to like. Mujiswahili hose yaba ari like and love, we use kupenda. Nakupenda, mimi nakupenda means I love you. Kuona means to see. Kusema means to speak. And kuimba means to sing. To sing. And kucheza bikoresha like to play bisanzwe ukina imikino runaka, ariko nanone kucheza bikoresha like to dance, ubyina byose urumva ko n'ubundi no kwidagadura. So kwiruka is to run, which is kukimbia means to run. Reka ndebe indi iso nari nateguye hano zihashize. Reka ndebe izindi nk'eshatu nibuka, hanyuma kuri verbs n'izindi tuzakomeza kugenda tuzigira hamwe. Hari verbs bita kunawa means to, kunawa ni ukoga, ni ugukaraba. Unaweza kunawa mikono, ushobora gukaraba intoki cyangwa se ugakaraba umubiri. Kulipa means to pay, kwishyura.